Welcome to Sixthisoverdrive, everybody. Well, today is an exciting day. It's the long weekend, September long weekend, the very last weekend before all the back to school and everything starts to happen. And I'm taking my family to the farm. My wife's parents own a farm out in central Saskatchewan where they have the Saskatchewan sealskin. And we're gonna head out there. I've got my quad out there. I gotta replace the belt on it, but maybe we'll get some quad riding in and all that. But man, I got a ton of work to do before we even get there. So I gotta do some filming for a client. I gotta send off some invoices. Is it busy for me? But anyway, guys, not to worry you with that stuff. We're gonna get out to the farm and I'm gonna show you some of the stuff I just love about going out to the farm for a long weekend. You didn't honestly think I'd miss out on my coffee, did you?
Hey, Kent.
Hey, how you doing?
Pretty good, and you?
Good. Hey, I've got 1 hour to put your promotion up. You got it ready?
No, just give me 5 minutes. Just get back.
Can you believe it? We were on our way to the farm and we stopped and saw Grandpa and Grandma at Manitou Beach. They have a drive-in tonight. The Meg is playing. I get to go to a drive-in. How often do you get to see that? One of the things I just love about being out at the farm is the fact that you can do just about anything. It's not like the city where there's rules and cops and just crowded and congested. It's just wide open spaces. If you feel like getting up in the morning and getting some pictures, there's nothing stopping you. There's no permits to go get or anything like that. If you want to fly a drone, you just go ahead and do it. You know, it's just so peaceful out here and it's so wide open. And now it's starting to rain. So I better get this stuff inside. But yeah, the feeling of just being out in nature it's just awesome. It can't be beat. Don't get me wrong, I'm not going to give up my house anytime soon because I love living in town. But just for a nice getaway, there's nothing better than coming out to the farm. One of the best parts about coming out to the farm isn't the peace and quiet at all. It's all about riding this baby, which I never get to do in town because it's illegal. Like flying drones and so many other things. But out on the farm, this is where we can get going. Well, that's about it. We're packing up, getting ready to leave and go back home to Lloydminster, and it's been fun. We had blast quadding out here, we had birthday parties out here, fires, we had a deep frying fest out there where we made fries and donuts and chicken wings and everything else. It's just been a great relaxing time, but it's back to work tomorrow, so I got to get back at it. So if you like what you see, guys, remember to share, like, comment, and subscribe. This is Sixthisoverdrive, and I'm out of here. Bye-bye.